And I realized I never told you what this video is actually about. It's about redoing furniture and selling it online. Okay, so I was walking you guys through this project and I completely failed to film what it looked like before, which was this creamy white. You can see it on the drawers over here. So I'm gonna make it farmhouse style. This is what I have so far, but I failed to film it because new YouTuber. Okay, so this is what it's looking like. Unfortunately, I ran out of paint, so the drawers look like crap. But the rest of it is looking pretty darn good. We're gonna get the next coat on today. Okay, so it's the next morning. This looks like absolute crap. So we're switching tactics. Real paint. Apparently we've had this the whole time, so that's fun. Okay, I'm like halfway done with painting it. It's looking really good. This is what I should have done since the beginning. Gotta do the inside still. As you can see, this extra coat of paint completely saved this. It went from looking like balls to looking actually pretty decent. So I'm going for farmhouse style, so I'm going to sand it today. Got some sandpaper here, and we'll see how it goes. So sanding it made it look like balls. This is becoming very frustrating. So now I'm repainting. Alright, and after another hour of painting, we're back to what it looked like this morning. I should have never sanded it. Oh my gosh, look at my legs, my arm. This is the final product. So I guess all that work was worth it. Now I'm going to show you how I stage it for selling it. Okay, so I added some things just to kind of give the customer an idea of what they can use it for. They could use it for storage of clothes. They could use it for storage of bathroom supplies or really anything. And then I also just made it cute on top so that they realize it can just be a decoration. So now I'm going to take my pictures and then I'll show you how I do my posting. Duncan, are you trying to be in the photos? So a couple things I just wanted to point out while I was taking photos. There is a little bit of this damage up here, which you don't want to shy away from that in your ad. You want to say that before a person can notice that, just so it shows that you're aware of it and it kind of brings up the objection beforehand. So I just wanted to let you know that's a good little tip with selling secondhand things. And let's post our ad. Oh nice, it already has 2 views. Just posted it. So I just wanted to give some tips here about posting on secondhand websites. You want to make sure your title has as many keywords as possible. So I put the color, this can really be used as an armoire, a TV stand, or a dresser, so I put all 3 of those in the title. I have my price listed as $250. Now, I don't believe I'm going to make $250 off this. I think honestly I'll get around $200, but you want to list high because people will bargain because it's secondhand. And then I've got all my photos. You can click through them, view all sorts of different angles, things like that. And then I've got my description down here. And like I said in my description, I do put, hey, it has a slight crack in the front, but it gives it character, as Joanna Gaines would say. And oh my goodness, I cannot tell you, putting Joanna Gaines is a cop-out for literally anything in the secondhand world. It is crazy. And then I just let them know that cash and Venmo is okay and to please text with any questions. So that is how to redo furniture and sell it online. Thanks for watching. Hopefully that gave you some good tips about how to redo furniture. Sometimes it's a nightmare and you redo it 1,000 times like me and it never ends up being farmhouse style. But either way, it's really fun to sell things online because I got that for free. So I spent a total of $20 fixing it up and I'm going to sell it for around $200. So profit. Let me know in the comments down below, what is the best thing you've ever flipped? Because I've had some good ones. Maybe I'll make a video just separately about that. But I'm very curious how you guys do selling online, so let me know. And if you like this type of videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe. And have a great day. Bye!